human decision required.
In 2008, Iconic Replicas Limited launched its latest 23-inch Space 1999 Signature Series Eagle model. The initial launch date for the laboratory Eagle was 2007, but didn't come to market until 2008. This particular model was limited to a run of 200 worldwide. As with all the models in the Signature series, a certificate of authenticity signed by the series creator Jerry Anderson was included. One of the noticeable improvements over the original Eagle Transporter series of models, these ones were provided with chrome-plated engine bells. Some of these models suffered from a quality issue. The weight of the pod caused the spine to twist or droop. This was corrected by the manufacturer. If you're going to buy one of these, always check for that. Originally retailing for £399 in the UK, a collector can now expect to pay in excess of £1,000 for one of these in mint condition. Another feature of the 23-inch series were spring-loaded landing struts. The model also included a removable cockpit section exposing the two Eagle pilots. I hope you can join me again for future reviews of the Signature series of models.